Today I share with you how to make mayonnaise at home and the oil you need to get this done. I received a lot of comments after getting this, it doesn't come out as mayonnaise. That is why you have to watch this video. I'm going to be sharing with you what you need to make your mayonnaise at home. This time around, you don't need to buy mayonnaise anymore when you can get it done by yourself. To begin, you are going to be needing oil, and you are not going to be needing anyhow oil. It's going to be either vegetable oil or groundnut oil. So guys, this is the two oil I'm going to use for this recipe. We have vegetable oil here, the same time we have groundnut oil. Now we are going to work first with the vegetable oil. That is me cutting that. So all you need to do is to take your cup to measure this oil for you to know the exact cup you are going to use. Just 1 cup of this, you are going to pour that inside this bigger cup. Next ingredient you are going to be needing is egg. Over here, you are going to be needing 1 egg. Just break the egg and add everything inside the cup like this. Next is for you to add in salt to taste. Just a pinch of salt is good to go. Next you are going to be needing is lemon. Over here we have 1 lemon. You are not going to make use of the full lemon. You have to divide that into 2 like this. Once you divide it, you are going to use 1 side for each recipe like this. Just press out the juice, only 1 side of it, then keep the other one aside. Squeeze all the old juice out inside the cup like this. So now you are going to be needing this hand mixer. Then use this hand mixer to get that blend. Just 1 second, guys, is going to form amazing mayonnaise for you, just like this. It doesn't even waste time. It doesn't even waste time. All you need is to share this video and you are going to get amazing mayonnaise for your family this time. Don't stress yourself when you have to do amazing salad. You don't have mayonnaise to get it done. You can easily use this 3 recipe to make your mayonnaise at home and it's going to be perfect. That's why I'm taking my time to show you the oil that is needed. This oil that I share with you is the oil you can easily use to make your mayonnaise. If you use any other oil, it's going to go bad. So use this vegetable oil, the same time groundnut oil, you are going to get this done. So now we are done getting that blend. The more you blend this, the more it becomes thicker. So now I'm done blending this. All I do now is to turn everything back inside this bowl like this. Look at that. Which mayonnaise part this one, guys? It's sweet, so nice, and it tastes so amazing. This is just the best way to make mayonnaise at home. You don't need any other way to get this done. It's going to help you a lot as a family, as a business person. Anything you need to use mayonnaise for, this is going to help you to get it done. Let's see the second process. Next, we are going to be needing groundnut oil. The same way, guys, we are going to cut the groundnut oil. Measure it with this cup. Take note, guys, always measure this for you to get everything out amazing. Just 1 cup of oil, you are going to add that inside the cup. Next, we are going to be needing is the same egg. Just 1 egg is good to go. Next, we are going to be adding a pinch of salt. Now you are going to be adding the same lemon you cut before, just adding the juice. Press everything out. Don't use full lemon, half of it is good to go. You are going to blend this and the same time is going to form that moment. You are not going to get this done like this. When you are blending it, it will not form mayonnaise, is because you use different oil. If you use any other oil, it's not going to give you this amazing recipe. So take note, the oil that you are going to use is vegetable oil or groundnut oil. You are going to make amazing mayonnaise at home. So I don't want this one to be more thicker. It's just so light. This is how I love my mayonnaise. I love it so fluffy like this. This is just all you need in mayonnaise, guys. You can use this to enjoy any vegetable of your choice. Use it to eat your bread, your snacks, anything you like to eat with mayonnaise. It's good to go. All you need to do is to share this video for others to see. I love you. That's why I bring this video for us. You are going to save a lot of money for you not to look for mayonnaise anymore. Get this done. It's going to help you a lot as a family, as a business person, as an amazing mom. Look at that. It's sweet, so nice. Don't forget to share this recipe in my next one. Bye.